Hi, this is Mid64. You can see I'm stuck in bubble wrap. I'm going to try to do some impossible tasks. Like, okay, I'm going to pick up an object without using any hands or feet. I guess I can use my hands. There we go. Here's the bubble wrap. Yay, I picked up an object. Now I'm going to throw it. Yay! I'm going to get a rubber band. Actually, I'm going to sit down. I wonder if I can do that. Oh, yeah. Okay.
But can you get up?
I'm going to shoot a rubber band. Oh, I can't. Oh, I can get up. And I'm going to, I don't know. Well, actually, I'm going to try turning pages to the magazine. Actually, and I'm going to do something else. Okay. Yay. Okay. And now I'm gonna lay down and maybe get back up. Ugh. Yeah. I'll see ya.